Hello students, welcome to your 7th standard mathematics class. We are doing lesson number 8, algebraic expressions and operations on them. Today, let us see the addition of algebraic expressions. Before moving on to that, let us revise the rules for addition of integers. The first rule, if both the numbers are of the same sign, add the numbers and give the common sign. Rule 2, when adding integers with different signs, ignore the sign and subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. Then give the sign of the bigger number to the difference obtained. Please keep these rules in your mind while solving sums on addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. First, let us see the addition of monomials. Adding like terms are like adding things of the same kind. Say for example, I have 6 apples here and I am adding another 3 apples to it. So altogether I will have 9 apples. Same way I have 4 lemons here. I add another 3 lemons to it. So in all I'll have 7 lemons. Like terms are added as we add up things of the same kind. Let us see an example. Suppose you want to add 4xy, 12xy and 3xy. All these are like terms because they are having the same variables and the powers of the variables are also the same. The coefficient of 4xy is 4, 12xy is 12, 3xy is 3. So first we have to add all the coefficients. That is 4 plus 12 plus 3 is how much? 19. So we will get the sum of 4xy plus 12xy plus 3xy as 19xy. So keep in mind, to add like terms, we add their coefficients and write the variable after their sum. Let's see some more examples. 3a plus 5a. All you have to do is add 3 and 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 8a. 6y plus 3y. It is 9y. Minus 3a minus 8a. Both are negative. So add the two and give the common sign. So minus 11a. When the two numbers are having different signs, what you do? You have to find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number. So here you have minus 2 and here you have plus 7. The difference is 5 and the sign of the bigger number is positive. So the answer will be 5p square. Like terms can be added but unlike terms cannot be added. It's like you have 15 pens and 17 toys. Can you add the two? No, you have to write it as 15 pens and 17 toys only. Same is the case when you add algebraic expressions. Suppose you want to add 15x and 17y. The answer will be 15x plus 17y. So like terms can be added but unlike terms cannot be added. Now let's see the addition of binomial expressions. What are binomial expressions? Yes, expressions having two terms. So when you add two binomial expressions, you have to first collect the like terms together. So the first step is obtain all the like terms. The second step is find the sum of the numerical coefficients of all the terms. You have to add up the coefficients of the like terms. Let us see an example. The first expression is 7x plus 4 and the second expression is 3x minus 1. First, collect the like terms together. Here you have 7x and 3x and 4 and minus 1 are constant terms. And then add the two. 7x plus 3x will give you 10x and 4 minus 1 will give you 3. So the answer will be 10x plus 3. Now let's see another example. The question is 2x plus 1 plus 4x minus y. First step is we identify the like terms. There is only one like term, 2x and 4x. So 2x plus 4y is 6x. Write the minus y as it is and plus 1. So the final answer is 6x minus y plus 1. These are two expressions with 4 terms each. So what are they? They are polynomials. Yes, we follow the same step. We are adding the two expressions. What is the next step? Yes, collect the like terms together. So we have two a square here, a b square and a minus b square, c square and a c square, minus 3abc and abc. So a square and a square will give you 2a square, b square and minus b square. It's like 1 minus 1, that is 0. So you get 0. C square plus c square will give you 2c square. Here you have minus 3 ABC and plus ABC. So it is minus 3 plus 1. So the difference is 2 and the sign of the bigger number is minus. So you have minus 2ABC. So this will be your final answer.
Now let's see the addition of monomials. Let's see an example. The addition of 3x plus 4x. The two are like terms as their variables are the same. So what we have to do? We have to add only the coefficients. So you can write it as 3 plus 4 multiplied by x. So the answer is 7x. So 3x plus 4x is 7x. Now let's see another example. Minus 3y minus 8y plus 5y. We want to add all these, all are like terms again. So we'll write the coefficients together. So you get minus 3 minus 8 plus 5 into y. Minus 3 plus minus 8 will give you minus 11. Keep in mind the addition of integers. Both are having the same sign and 8 plus 3 is 11. So you get minus 11 plus 5. So you get minus 11 plus 5 multiplied by y. Now one is negative and the other one is positive. So you have to find the difference and put the sign of the bigger number. So 11 minus 5 is 6 and the bigger number is 11. So the answer is minus 6y. Let's try one more sum. The question is 2 by 3 AB plus 5 upon 7 AB. So you get 2 by 3 plus 5 upon 7 AB. Now you have to add this fraction. So for adding the fraction, you know you have to take the LCM and cross multiply. So you'll get 14 plus 15 divided by 21. That gives you 29 upon 21 AB. Now let us say you want to add 3x and 7y. Can you add the coefficients here? No. Why? Because they are not like terms. So when you get two terms that are not like terms, what you have to do? You have to write their sum as it is. Now let's see the addition of binomial expressions. Now what are binomial expressions? Yes, algebraic expressions with two terms are called binomial expressions. Now you are going to add two binomial expressions together. There are two arrangements using which you can add. One is called the horizontal arrangement and the other is called as the vertical arrangement. Now let's do one sum with the horizontal arrangement. Now the first expression is 2x plus 4y. The second expression is 3x plus 2y. First what we have to do is we have to collect the like terms together. So let's write that together. So 2x over here and from here plus 3x plus the 4y plus 2y. Now these two are like terms and these two are also like terms. So 2x plus 3x will give you 5x and 4y plus 2y will give you 6y. So the answer is 5x plus 6y. Now the same sum let us do by vertical arrangement. So whenever you do vertical arrangement, arrange the like terms one below the other. And now you can do the addition. So 4 plus 2 is 6y. The sign is plus here. 3 plus 2 is 5x.
Please note down all the questions solved in the video in your classwork notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.